Jai Bharat, my dear student.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.
Welcome to Spellwell program.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I am Jay Pranita, working as mathematics teacher in Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan, Pakpadla. What about yourself?
Myself, I am Rikshit Reddy. I am from 6th class. I am studying in Sri Saraswati Vidyaniketan, Pakpadla. My father name is Sai Reddy. He is farmer. My mother name is Sapna. She is a homemaker.
Okay, are you ready for the Spellwell program?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
All the best. Your first word is admitted.
ADMITTED.
Okay, next. California.
CALIFORNIA.
Very good. Describe.
DESCRIBA.
Very good. Direction.
DIRECTION.
Okay. Vapor.
VAPOUR.
Very good. Alphabet.
ALPHAPE.
Very good. Factor.
FACTOR.
Very good. Height.
HEIGST.
Good. Patterns.
PATTRNS.
Wrong. Puzzle.
PLEES.
No, you are wrong. Confused.
CONFUST.
Okay. Ancient.
ANCIENT.
Okay. Europe.
EUROP.
Good. Inhabited.
INHABITABED.
Wrong. Mosquito.
MSQUITO.
Okay. Panchayat.
PANCHAYET.
Wrong. Operated.
OPEARATED.
Wrong. Mountains.
MOUNTAIN.
Very good. Telangana.
TELAGNA.
Wrong. Understanding.
UNDESTION.
Wrong. Now your GK questions. How many days are there in a leap year?
366 days.
Very good. Which color symbolizes peace?
White.
Very good. What is the largest ocean in the world?
Pacific Ocean.
Right. What is the chemical symbol of water?
H2O.
H.
H2O.
Okay. What is the capital city of India?
New Delhi.
Very good. Well done. Okay. How did you feel about this program?
I felt very happy. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.